Hi everyone, this is going to be a quick tutorial about how to buy NFT Art Finance coin. It just came out a few days ago and I just purchased $60 worth of Smart Chain BNB. So I'm just going to wait for it to show up right here and then we are going to move on to the next step. Okay, so now that I have the Smart Chain BNB in my wallet, guys, you can purchase Smart Chain BNB directly. You do not have to purchase regular BNB and then convert it to Smart Chain BNB. It really will just incur you an extra transaction fee that's not necessary. So just purchase Smart Chain BNB directly inside of Trust Wallet. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go over to Coin Market Cap and you're going to copy the Smart Chain contract. Once you've done that, head back over to Trust Wallet and click on Browser. If you do not know how to verify your browser, go watch any of my other tutorials featuring PancakeSwap and you will learn how to get your browser to trust. All you do is type in this, trust, semicolon, / browser _ enable. Now, you do not type this into the browser on Trust Wallet. You type it into the Safari browser or the Chrome browser or whatever on your phone, and then it will direct you back over to PancakeSwap and Trust Wallet. So once that's done, you will click on New dApps, and then you will click on PancakeSwap, and you will be able to head over to swap within your wallet. Make sure that your wallet is showing up in the top right corner. As you can see, mine is already there, and I am going to show that my BNB is right there. Now I'm going to use 0.09 of my BNB to purchase NFT Art Finance. Okay, so now that that is there, I'm going to change my slippage tolerance to 12%, and I'm going to click X. Make sure that your transaction deadline is 20 minutes. I'm going to click swap. I'm going to confirm the swap, and I might need to change my slippage tolerance. If you ever have a decline on your trade going through, chances are you probably just need to change the slippage tolerance. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to confirm it. The network fee is 50 cents. Cool. And I am going to click close. Now, what you can do if you want to track the transaction specifically is you can click view on BSC scan. However, these do usually go through pretty much immediately. So I am actually just going to go ahead, head over to here, and what you'll see is that you cannot see it in my wallet. And oh, now you can see it in my wallet. So if you could not see it in your wallet, you would just click in the top right corner. You would type in NFT Art Finance, and then that would be it. Super duper easy, and you can see right here that it is $37.79 right now. So I will update you guys on where this goes. Like, subscribe, and comment down below, and thank you.